Oppo A91 tiene rotura interna de pantalla. No se ve nada, está encendido pero no se ve nada.
With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. We remove the back cover. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We remove the battery. Here we have the connector of the screen. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. It's time to remove the broken screen. At this point, it's very important to not forget to place the earpiece dust mesh. Now it's time to install the new screen. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending on the color of the device. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.